Our next topic, preparation of benzene. It is the part of hydrocarbon. Firstly, we discussed in last classes alkane, alkene and alkyne. Now start with benzene. It is also known as arene. It is also known as arene. Firstly, by ethyne. By ethyne. Its molecular formula is CH triple bond CH. When ethyne on polymerization in presence of red hot Fe tube, it gave the formation of benzene. Clear? Ethyne to benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6. Clear? How to reaction take place? 3 moles of ethyne arrange in this pattern, and here CS triple bond CH. This bond from here, this show this and this one show this, and gives the formation of benzene. Gives the formation of benzene. Clear? Second, from silver benzoate. Second, from silver benzoate or sodium benzoate, Take an example of sodium benzoate. Benzene COO-Na reacts with sodium hydroxide in presence of quicklime calcium oxide. In presence of quicklime calcium oxide, clean cleavage take place from here and clean cleavage take place from here. Combine this molecule Na2CO3, release sodium carbonate, and hydrogen attacks on this corner carbon atom. Clear? Means molecule sodium benzoate to benzene. Clear? And the reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Third, by phenol with zinc dust. By phenol with zinc dust. When phenol reacts with zinc dust, it gave the formation of benzene. It gave the formation of benzene and release some molecule of Zn with O. ZnO, zinc oxide. This compound is known as phenol and this compound is known as benzene. Clear? Discuss about the preparation of benzene. Firstly, discuss by the help of ethyne. Second, by silver benzoate. Third, by phenol. And fourth one by benzene diazonium chloride, by benzene diazonium chloride. Clear? First step, benzene diazonium chloride, benzene N2 diazo and Cl chloride, benzene diazonium chloride reacts with warm water, reacts with warm water. Clear? Warm water, H2O. Condition, warm water, or says that boiled water or steam reacts with steam. How the reaction takes place? H positive, OH negative. H combined with Cl, release HCl. Second cleavage take place from here, release N2, and this OH attacks on this carbon and gives the formation of phenol, gives the formation of phenol. In second step, phenol reacts with zinc dust. It gives the formation of benzene. Phenol reacts with zinc dust. It gives the formation of benzene and release ZnO. Clear? Another reaction, direct from benzene diazonium chloride to benzene. It reacts with H3PO2 with H2O, with H2O. It gives the formation of benzene and H3PO3. These are the direct reaction, or simply we can say that convert benzene diazonium chloride to benzene in one step, and by the help of phenol or zinc dust, reaction take place and gives the formation of benzene in two step. Last one is fifth, from haloarine, from haloarine, benzene, and here suppose X reacts with dihydrogen in presence of nickel alloy, in presence of nickel alloy, H single bond H, X combined with H and release HX, and one hydrogen attack on this carbon and gives the formation of benzene. Here haloarine to benzene. Clear? Student, these are the preparation of benzene. First from ethyne, second from sodium benzoate, and third by phenol with zinc dust. यहां हमने जो एग्जाम्पल टेक प्लेस किया बेटा वो सिल्वर के साथ नहीं, हमने पर्टिकुलर किसके साथ किया? सोडियम के साथ. क्लियर? तो हम सोडियम बेंजोएट की फॉर्म लेके चलेंगे, फ्रॉम सोडियम benzoate. Third, by phenol with zinc dust, and fourth one by benzene diazonium chloride, and at last from haloarine. Student, in next class we discuss about the chemical properties of benzene. Thank you.